Crypto.com, Crowcoin holders. Can we see Crowcoin go to $1? We're seeing altcoins kind of break down here while Bitcoin is really just barely below all-time highs. We got to be talking about this. So without further ado, welcome back to Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea. Hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel now. Anything I say is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only. Let's hop into it. All right, guys. Here's Crowcoin, okay? I will be honest. Altcoins are in a very strange place because Bitcoin rallied to all-time highs, right? And then we see altcoins start to rally with it. And then Bitcoin just kind of takes a little bit of a chill pill, comes down like $1,000, which is about 0.6%, okay? A 0.6% drawdown. And a lot of these alts just kind of really dumped. They started making some big dumpage. And I will say, though, I have been saying I expect that Bitcoin dominance will rally a little bit, but I still believe that it's at all-time highs or in for the cycle for Bitcoin dominance. So I still am expecting altcoin season. I would just say that this time altcoin season comes around, I expect there to be market outliers, a lot of them. I expect not all the alts to be making new highs, high after high after high. I'm not expecting that. I'm expecting there to be, you got to pick some good ones, and some of them are going to be bad. And for example, like right now, I think that in the short term, rejecting off of 212 on Crowcoin is not the best thing. I'm not a huge fan of it. I'm not going to lie. I don't really like it. But regardless, if we do break down here, I still think the bullish uptrend is intact in Q4. Okay, so short-term bearish, long-term bullish, right? And yes, of course, we could flip 212 as support, but right now, a lot of altcoins are doing different things. Like I'm long Ethereum, I'm long XRP, and I'm shorting Aster. If you follow me at 333 Blacksea, I've been posting my shorts and really some setups as well if you guys want to trade. And I say my update on my Aster short-term bearish, long-term bullish. Took some profits on the shorts, though. I have been taking profits because, guys, shorting in a bull market is risky business. I don't like to do it unless there's like a trade just falls in my lap and I go, that looks like I would be silly not to take advantage of it, right? So I am 137% in the profit on my Aster short, and I've realized some gains on it, and I'm really just kind of waiting to get stopped out. And if I get stopped out, I'm pretty bullish on Aster. So, but I digress. We're talking about Crowcoin. I'm just trying to tell you guys that some alts look like they should be longed right now, and other alts look like they should be shorted right now. But all in all, like Crowcoin, other coins that look strong, maybe we have a little bit of a bearish pullback, but guys, regardless, I expect a bullish continuation for the remainder of Q4. If you guys do want to trade, feel free to check out the pinned comment section or description box below. We have a 10% bonus on all deposits to BTCC. Absolutely insane. They also have up to 500x leverage if you want to go crazy and play a little degen. Check it out. Just check out all the awesome affiliate links down below, guys. Really helps support this channel. A lot of lucrative bonuses. Check them out. Now, looking at Chronos, we're at rank 22. Up about 12% in the past 7 days, down about 4.5% in the past 24 hours. So we're still talking weekend price action, right? So, you know, I really don't like to trade on the weekends that much, but the Aster trade came to me. I opened it, I believe, Friday night. And, yeah, sometimes if they fall in my lap, I just have to take them. But right now, Chronos is below 212 at a $7.18 billion market cap. All in all here is I'm waiting for this circulating supply to increase because there has been another 1.22 billion added. It just hasn't been, it hasn't populated on CoinMarketCap. But look at what's going on in the overall market, guys. Bitcoin dominance is rallying. Bitcoin is barely below all-time highs, while Ethereum and the other alts are kind of taking a beating, right? So that's what I'm saying. It is a little bit of a weird time. I have a feeling that what's probably going to play out here into Q4, based on all the past data of our winter times in crypto, I think Bitcoin is probably going to take a big rally to the upside in Q4, and Bitcoin dominance is going to rally with it. Alts are going to bleed out, and then we'll finally get our rotation and finally get true altcoin season. But all in all, I think that Bitcoin dominance is topped out when it comes to all-time highs for the cycle. But doesn't mean we can't go back to 60%. That's possible. That's absolutely possible. But now, looking at Bitcoin here, Like, look at the daily here. Like, we are above. If we close right here on the daily in the next 22 hours, that's all-time highs. That's the highest daily candle closure we've seen. We wicked to new, well, basically to new all-time highs, $100 over all-time highs, okay? No price discovery mode yet. Nobody's excited. That's a bullish thing. That means more people are going to come. They're not here. We're probably going to see Bitcoin make higher and higher price targets. But you guys have seen, I've talked about this W formation. I think that this is probably the time that we actually break out to the upside. The RSIs are pretty cool on the, let's look at the weekly time frame. The daily time frame, it looks a little scary, I'm not going to lie. But it doesn't, just because the RSIs are like perked to the upside does not mean that it can't just stay up there, right? So I really would like to see a weekly candle closure. I mean, if we see a weekly candle closure at 123,000, oh my goodness. That will be just the continuation of, all right, let's go. We're going to push to probably 140, 150,000 in my opinion, or around there, 138 potentially. Yeah, things look good. You got to be patient here, guys. I think that Crowcoin is going to benefit from altcoin season. I think it's a good outlier. They have their Crowcoin treasuries with Donald Trump's Truth Social, his social media company. We just got to wait. We got to wait for altcoin season. I think Bitcoin needs to hop back in the sunlight for a little bit, become a star, have everyone be wanting to say, I need more Bitcoin, I need more Bitcoin, have some retail froth come, get those rate cuts, get some stimulus checks potentially, and then altcoin season, baby. That's what I believe. But that's all I got. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel right now. Check out all those affiliate links, guys. I'm telling you, some of those bonuses are insane. I don't like to shill them, but when you see a 10% bonus on all deposits, it's gonna go away. They're just trying to get everyone onto it. So check out BTCC. But that's all I got. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.